Are you a female and you want to practice English speaking, but you want to do it only with other females? Now, if it is so, this video is for you. I have many of you people who watch my channel are females, and they often complain to me telling me that they are not very comfortable speaking to boys to improve their English. So I have a solution for you now, and I'm sure this solution is going to be awesome. You're going to love it because I really love it. I really like it. Now, this is a feature that I'm going to talk about, which is present on this application by the name Ace Fluency. I repeat myself, Ace Fluency. Okay, so Ace Fluency has launched this feature where you can, if you're a female, you can talk with other females and be sure they are only going to be females, because if a male pretends to be a female and logs in and creates an account and tries to talk to females, he'll be blocked in no time. There are proper systems to monitor that. So after the call ends, once you are done talking to that person, the call ends, it's going to ask you for a feedback, and you have to register your feedback under wrong gender. Okay, when you pass on this feedback, the person is going to be blocked. I want to tell you something here. This feature is free for 7 days, so you can try it for free for 7 days. Okay, and after those 7 days, this is a premium feature. You'll have to buy yourself a plan. Another thing is that despite running out of those 7 free days, you can still, after those 7 days are over, you can still continue to use the free minutes that you otherwise get on the app. So the application provides you with free minutes for every day. You can continue using that feature, but that feature of free minutes will not be gender biased. All right, let's talk to somebody. I'll scroll a little down, and as you can see right in the center of the screen, call and practice with a female. I'm gonna click that. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, who's that?
And my name is Anna.
Anna, right? Anna, how are things? How's life? What have you done your graduation in? What stream?
BCom.
Oh, you've done
BCom.
BCom. Oh, I also did BCom. I did BCom.
Okay, what are you doing now?
I did BCom, then I did CA.
Watching TV
Uh-oh.
and listening music and hearing some motivational videos.
Wow.
Yeah, that's all.
And do you like watching YouTube?
Okay.
Okay, Anna, thank you. Nice speaking with you. And
Okay.
do you happen to watch this channel Alina Reyes Live by any chance?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am
Yeah.
Alina. I am Alina.
Okay, Alina.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I can't believe that.
Thank you. Thank you for giving
can't
me such a...
believe it.
I know. So I'll wait for your comment. Okay?
So, I'm very afraid about it because I'm not well in English.
That's all right. You don't have to be, so many times I've told this on my videos, you don't have to be ashamed of it. It's all right. It's okay. So it's a part of your learning process. We all make mistakes when we are learning something new. But I'm so happy to hear this excitement and happiness in your voice.
Yeah. Thank you for calling me. Yeah.
Wow.
The first time I get a call from YouTube. YouTube brother.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so glad that you liked it so much. And I'm going to remember this call forever.
Yeah.
It was really pleasant
you.
speaking
Nice
with
talking
you.
to
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye. All right, let's just give it a 10 and submit. I'll show you the plans. So these are the plans. Let me just quickly take you to Silver Plan. As you can see, it includes 15 live learning events. Your learning events like GDs, that is group discussions, interviews, debates, etc. One assessment session of 25 minutes, then some other things. And the validity is 90 days. So somewhere around 918 rupees to be paid for 90 days, which makes it around 10 rupees a day, which I feel is quite reasonable. I'll show you one more feature that I found very interesting, and that is book your live learning events. If you can see right in the center of the screen, book your live learning events. I'm going to click that. There is one already scheduled for today, and that is group discussion. I'm shooting this video on the 14th of October, Thursday. Trainer is Himika Sharma, and there are 8 slots available. It is at 6 o'clock in the evening. You can book from here. I'll click book. And then there are several other features. I've already made a video on this, so you can just check that video out. You have a trial class also right at the top of the screen. You can book your trial class to get a hang of the things. That's about it. Thank you. I had been waiting for this feature to announce it to you people, because I'm really happy that they've come up with this. It is going to help a lot of your female friends. All the females watching the channel. For the male members, I would say go and let it be known to your female friends, your sisters, your daughters, your mothers, right? So anyway, that is it. I am going to leave the link in the description. Please check that out. And on the last note, I'd say that, guys, if you really want to do something about learning to speak proper fluent English, I honestly believe that it is okay to spend a little on your learning. So what you can do is you can start with a 1-month plan. If you feel it is benefiting you, you can go ahead, and then it is going to get easy for you, because next time onwards the choice is going to get simpler. All right, that is it. Like always, I'll be coming up with amazing new ideas like I always do, and we'll continue on this path of learning, and we'll continue on the path of improving our spoken English. So I'll be back. You take care. Bye.